Okay, let's follow up to my unboxing of my Azeron Keypad. Came in today. It was somewhat delayed at the main hub, FedEx main hub in Memphis, Tennessee. So it was held there for about, 2-3 days, I believe. And finally came in today. So, did a little setup since all these were unscrewed. They didn't screw everything in. Actually, nothing was screwed in, so I had to put it in, make the necessary adjustments in terms of finger placements and all that. I did also some programming for Call of Duty Warzone to see how well it works, and I mapped specific keys to whatever. For instance, movement, obviously, WASD. This one here, if I were to move forward, that would be the shift to run. Oh yeah, I still have to do the map. Actually, I haven't done the map yet. It'd be one of this, probably something with the D-pad. Anyway, I have this for reload, E for interact, and let's see what else. Actually, you can see it here. Let's go to so if I were to move this key here, you'd see, yeah, so that would be V, that would be my crouch button. Next one, my ring finger, that would be a cut. When I'm saying I'm on the parachute, that would be my cut. And the control is, darn, what is the control? I don't remember. Ha. Oh yeah, prone, I believe. Anyway, you can see it there. Map, just up here. I can switch over. Here, boom. Would be map. So, and I just remapped some of the jumping. I remapped it to this button here, this particular button here, and to put on my armor, this button, I mapped it onto this. Obviously the wheels to cycle through the weapons, and yeah, it looks like the only thing I have to do is just the map thing, if I haven't already. Oh yeah, I did, sorry, I did do that. So just to quickly show, let's go to COD. Okay. So you can see I'm moving the mouse, not the mouse, joypad, joystick. Right. If I were in practice mode, I think I press E if I'm not mistaken. Or I can actually still use the mouse, right? I can use this in conjunction with the mouse. So, so yeah, those are my keybinds for that. I've tried it. It's just a matter of getting used to it. So I'm going to do a bit more of practice modes in order to build muscle memory or before joining in online, so I could get used to it. Yeah, looks really good. I did replace, I don't have it on me, but they also included a number of these buttons, or for lack of a better word. This one here resembles more of the PS4, which I am more used to, because this is convex, so there is a tactile feeling here where you could actually just move it in increments, whereas this came in with a concave button on this one, so I replaced it with this one here, which I prefer as opposed to the concave. So yeah, I chose the flat rather than the curve, because with a curve your hand is locked in, you can't adjust accordingly, whereas this one here is you can do so. And also, if you can also bind the keys on the fly. Like, you can get out of the game and go on to this, and just what I was doing, and just bind what keys I've missed, or make adjustments, or whatever the case may be. Okay, I won't be showing that, I believe. I'm not sure if there's a video on YouTube, but in any case, yeah, as you see there, it's only for right now is for Warzone. I'll be including I'll be creating another profile for Wolfenstein Youngblood. I'm playing that on co-op right now, so yeah. So really happy with how it's performing, and so yeah, that's it. For those interested, I will provide a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.